Hey friends, I sent home a heart that you guys can paint however you want. I ended up starting with the paints that came in the kit, and then I ended up switching to marker because markers seem to work better for me. But you can design it however you want. I actually did permanent marker on the name and then on the other parts, and then I colored in with the markers. But if you want to use the paints, you can use the paints as well. So I did the front, then I kind of let it sit for a while, and then I'll show you the back. And this was my thing on the back, but please do it however you want. Like I said, the markers seem to work better for me. Just Crayola markers if you have some, or you might have other paints at home that you want to use instead. What I noticed with my paints is some of them were creamy and they worked good, and then some of them were a little thicker and I had to add a little bit of water to them. So that's just a tip for you. And then make sure you lay down newspaper or something so that you don't get any space dirty. So have fun with that, guys.